Now we're going to put the skirt onto the top. You're going to put a vertical pin in, so that can't go anywhere. And then you're going to find the side seam of the outside and put that on the side seam of your skirt. But that's how I do it. You don't have to do it like that. You can just pre-gather it a little bit first and then put it on. But basically, you now pull your gather threads, only the one side, the underside, and then when it fits really nicely, you put the thread round the pin in a figure of 8 and distribute your gathers really well, and then they're pinned to the entire bodice. I don't overpin this. I tend to do a lot of rearranging under the sewing machine anyway. And now we're going to sew this in, and it's so easy to catch something. So really check underneath it all the time. Make sure that you're not catching anything. Rearrange your gathers so it looks like really cool. And then, this is a little industry trick, you fold over the lining and you stitch as far as you can go. Now, to be honest, I used to have this employee called Fast Alison. She was just unbelievable. And she used to sew this together. I'm just putting dart on dart here. That's as far as I go. But she used to do it so there was like 3 centimeters left open in the middle. So if you are a really experienced sewer, you can do that. But me coming from the couture line, I actually am used to doing a lot of hand stitching, so I didn't do that, and I always marveled. She used to go, done. She was fantastic. So I'm just going to push this together right to the darts. If you can go further, okay, but I'm just so likely to just stretch it or catch something, so I'm just stopping there. And then I cut back the corner because that's flatter. And then all I have to do is pull this over, and look, you're getting a beautiful finish. And of course, I do like the fact I don't have to hand stitch there and that the corner is all really nicely in. Next, I'm going to attach the lining, so make sure that it's not too tight. That's worse than too loose. And you put the pins so that it's just over your stitching line. And then I'm going to hand stitch this too. So get your needle in there so that you can hide the knot. So the knot is going to disappear to the inside. Push it in there. And then tunnel through the lining and pick up a little bit of the skirt. Actually, you can pick quite a bit up because it's not going to show. It's very, very thick. And I do that all the way along. Tunnel, pick up, there you go. So now it's almost done. Fantastic. I can get out all those nasty gather threads. Just pull all your threads out so it's nice and neat and clean.